LinkedIn tutorial for beginners. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to take a look at how we can use LinkedIn as a complete beginner, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. So if you want to learn how to use LinkedIn, and that if you are especially a beginner, you can just try to first of all open up the LinkedIn application here, and as you open the LinkedIn app, this is how it's going to seem. At the first glance, you might be on the home page where you'll be able to see the suggested post and the timeline of other people, what they're sharing and how they've been working over here. The next thing you can do is you can simply go to the My Network tab to manage and increase your network. You can post something about yourself that other people will be able to see if they're on your friends list. You can go to the notifications tab here to be able to catch up with any sort of missed notifications that you might be interested in. You can go to the jobs tab if you're looking to hire or if you're looking to apply for a job yourself. The next important thing on LinkedIn is of course your very own profile. If you go to the top left profile and you can go to the view profile section, this is where you'll be able to customize most of your profile settings, such as your about and everything else. In my case, I've written a couple of articles and then posted them over here back then. If you go to the gear icon from the top right, you should also be able to see other sorts of information, and this way you should be able to use LinkedIn tutorial over here. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.